Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Loops and Wars. And today we'll be gonna be talking about a very recent and hot topic, which is why the 5 reasons why the Claude AI cannot replace UiPath. So recently we have seen there's a quite a boom in the AI market. Like the Claude AI has recently come up with its new features where it can completely code and automate stuff by itself, and it has create I'll say multiple ripple effect in the IT market, and many of the IT stocks have plummeted down. So it's like sort of a scary experience for the developers and all the IT professionals, and because of its automation capability, Claude's AI automation capability, there's the sort of a tension or panic mode in the UiPath developers and RPA professionals as well. So today I'm going to be discussing the 5 reasons why Claude AI cannot replace UiPath. So let's see like how UiPaths will be still a good tool, or like still will be able to manage the AI market, the RPA market, and how it is a tough competitor, or how it will be always working as it should be. So let's check out the 5 reasons. I'll quickly start. So first, let us understand the competitors, or like what's Claude AI and versus the UiPath. So we'll see a quick comparison. So as we can see, Claude AI focuses on natural language processing, enabling conversational AI capabilities. So basically, it's like a sort of a chat GPT, we can say, AI model where we just give the prompts to the this Claude AI, and it takes it as an input, and then it performs the function if we want to do some automation task also. For example, if we want to clear up our desktop, suppose there are multiple files distributed, and you want to perform like some operation to sort the files in proper folders or like proper structure. So you can just give the prompt to the Claude AI, and you have to give the access also to your particular folder or your computer, so it can access and then it can perform the task. So basically, again, it's a chat based model where it follow the prompts or the requests which you make. So that's how the Claude AI works. While the UiPath excels in robotic process automation, automating repetitive tasks efficiently across various digital platforms and workflows. So if we see the UiPath, we have to sort of design sequentially the steps which it will follow, and it's a sort of best tool in performing the repetitive tasks, and then we can manage it using the orchestrator, and we can again we can fully control it. We can check the errors and logs, like why it's failing or how it performed. So basically in UiPath we can see we have the full control, and it's good tool if we want to perform the repetitive task and efficiently. While the Claude AI, it's like again it's a dynamic tool. So these are the comparison, we'll say. So let's check out the purpose and functionality, understanding the core differences between UI and Claude AI and UiPath. So we'll see like what's the core difference if we come to these two tools. So Claude AI is focused on natural language processing, conversation generated tests, crucial for interactive user experience. So again, like it's take your request as the natural language as you are providing the prompt to it, and it works according to it. While the UiPath specializes in automating business workflows, executing structured tasks efficiently, making it essential for operational productivity. So here we have like full control. We have designed it, and we create the automation workflow as per the business steps. So each time, like we know that the bot will gonna follow a proper structure or like the same path every time without getting disturbed, or like in the most efficient way possible. So here we have the full control over it. And if we check out the non-overlapping functions, the core functionalities of Claude AI and UiPath are non-overlapping, each addressing distinct needs within the technologies landscape. So yeah, means again, they both specialize in their different functionalities and different areas, we can say. So if we check out the task automation, understanding the key difference between UiPath and Claude AI. So Claude AI excels in providing insights and generative context, but lack the ability to directly manipulate system or execute task. So in this, we say like we have to provide a prompt to it, and then we have to enable it or to start the execution, we can say. But UiPath, there, like again, we have the unattended automations where the system can start automatically on a scheduled time and scheduled triggers. So basically, again, it's a more sort of a background robot which performs a task. And Claude AI, we have it as like the most in a RDP manner where the desktop automation happens. We have to physically interact with it for the tasks, and then it takes the instructions from us, and then it performs the operation. Okay, so task assistant, we check this out. While AI offers guidance, Claude AI offers guidance and support. It cannot perform task automation, making it less effective for business processes. So here we go. Then there is system integration. If we check out comparing UiPath and Claude AI's integration capabilities, so UiPath have like various system enabling seamless automation across platform such as SAP, Salesforce, and Excel. So here we have time and tested connectors and time and tested integration with all the popular applications where the UiPath can connect with them and interact with it seamlessly. While Claude AI, Claude AI have data analysis lacking deep integration capabilities for executing tasks with multiple systems. So here, like if we check it out, so in UiPath, if we see, so there are like multiple robots we can orchestrate using the orchestrator, and like we have we have the control and management to orchestrate like multiple VMs together in a sync. But with the Claude AI, it's concentrated to currently like one VM or one single machine where it'll work on the prompts. So that's, we can say, like the major difference or the broader limitations. And yeah, so that's system integration part for it. And then if we move on to the error handling part, so built-in error handling. So UiPath, it provides us the robust error handling tools that ensure mission critical workflows can recover from issues without disrupting operations. So here we have like a full controlled flow where we can check out and we can manage like if some particular error happens, so what should be the direction or the path or the flow in which the bot should go. And we have the full control, if we say, in the UiPath for any steps or the business operation to perform. Then we have the login and tracking mechanism. So here we can fully log like what step was followed and what was completed, what was done, and what was generated or produced while the execution was happening, and we can fully track it. So that's one of the best feature or the best capabilities which are provided by the UiPath. And if we check out the Claude AI's lack of real-time management, Claude AI lacks in built-in error management, resulting in challenges during execution without mechanism for handling or recovering from errors. So here again, like it's a prompt-based AI. So basically it will take the prompts input and then it will execute. So if any error happens and things happen, so we have to manually see it, like what should be the next course and how we can manage it. So like again, the error handling part is not that much robust as we have in the UiPath. So if we check out the non-text automation, exploring UiPath capabilities beyond text manipulation. So physical interaction, clicks and file movement, providing tangible result across various software operations and interactions. So GUI automation, text limitation. So Claude AI, again, like it has limited control over your system, and the GUI automation which is provided by the UiPath, is currently the best in the market. So it has like fully control of your system without without challenging your security or these issues. So basically, like it acts as a proper robot, and it is able to perform all the operation which a human user would click and perform. So that's the strong suit of the UiPath as compared to the Claude AI. Then if you check out the key differences, so Claude AI in natural language processing, while you had automatic structure workflows for business efficiency. And if we see like in a broader term, so again with the UiPath we have the full control, we have the fully control of the GUI automations, where without the threats to your without any threats to your security, system security and data. And we have full control, we have logging mechanisms, and we have proper error handling. So like it provides a complete package, a complete suits for your automation. Well, the Claude AI, it's again like we can say it's in the budding phase. Maybe like in the coming time it might provide more proper structure for the automation, but in the current scenario it's like in its baby phase, we can say. So yeah, so that's the point. So if we check out the Claude AI limitation, so why UiPath prevails in automation? So while Claude AI excels in language tasks, inability to automate processes highlight its limitations. Essential role in business automation stems from capacity to interact with various systems directly. So again, it's the same point which means the UiPath has the full capability where it can interact with multiple VMs, applications, GUI operations, and all that with the proper error handling. While Claude AI has like not that much control over the GUI events. Plus, like there's a security issues also with it, where providing the complete access to your system might create some issues, or might be difficult, not exactly difficult, but might be threat for your data. So real world automation impact. So UiPath automates complex workflows such as invoice processing, integrating with various systems for seamless operation. In contrast, Claude AI provides content support but lacks execution capabilities. So in a way, again, like UiPath has fully currently controlled the overall business flow and processes, where it can do end-to-end tasks, while the Claude AI currently like it can help with the chunk of the business process and flows, but complete automation workflow if we have to create in that. So there are like various pieces missing in current scenario for the Claude AI to completely overtake the RPA world. So Claude AI and UiPath can enhance each other's capabilities by integrating AI generated insights into automation workflows, driving efficiency, innovation in business process. So instead of being as a looking at as a competitors or rivals, if we can use it like together in a collaborative way, so it might create much more better automation bots, where the Claude AI's insights and like its processing of the LLMs, natural language, can provide UiPath much more better edge in creating more intelligent automation. So we can see them as complementary, as a combination. So that's one of the good approach, or that I think will be the way ahead in how the RPA world will work. So that's for now. That's all for now regarding the latest Claude AI's and UiPath comparison, and the reasons which we can think and which we can find why the UiPath will still be robust tool for the RPA. So yeah guys, so let me know if any queries are there. Do let me know in the comment, and I'll try my best to help you guys with the answers and any information which I can provide. So thanks for everyone, and please subscribe and like my channel. So thank you guys. Thanks. Bye.